In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Asana tasks, guiding you through each step to optimize your project management process. Let's dive in. To begin, ensure you're logged into your Asana account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Asana homepage, which acts as your central dashboard for all projects. The next thing you'll want to do is navigate to the specific project where you need to link tasks. Simply click on the project to open it up, and you'll see the task list there, which is the heart of all your project's activity. Now, within this list, you'll need to locate the task you desire to link or create dependencies for. Once you've identified this task, the next step is to click on its details. Doing so will open up more options for you to explore. Look for the choice to add dependencies. This is a critical function that signifies that the task's timeline is contingent upon the completion of another task. In essence, it prevents the start of one task until its predecessor is finished, a feature that enhances coordination and ensures your project flows seamlessly. In the Dependencies field, you have the flexibility to choose a task from the existing list or start typing the name of the specific task that needs to be completed first. This approach offers precision in setting up your task sequence. Here's an important point to consider. You must decide on the type of dependency you wish to create. Asana offers two distinct options. First, you can select if the current task is blocked by another task. This means that your current task cannot commence until the dependent task is finished. Alternatively, you may choose to set it as blocking, where the chosen task acts as a barrier, preventing subsequent tasks from starting until it's done. This method of linking tasks is incredibly beneficial, as it not only streamlines your workflow, but also keeps your entire team aligned. By having a visual representation of task dependencies, it significantly reduces the risk of missed deadlines and any potential confusion. Before wrapping up, take a moment to review all the dependencies you've established to ensure they are accurate. Asana's user-friendly interface should simplify this process, with clear visual indicators demonstrating which tasks rely on others. And that's it for linking tasks in Asana. By following these instructions, you'll enhance your project management skills and maintain operational harmony within your team with improved efficiency. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips on using Asana.